Hey guys, it's Bezza here, your favorite real estate chick, and
Zach, the favorite sales guy. See, I got it right that time, right off the bat.
You're making progress.
Yes.
We are at another property, but this time in a different zip code.
Yeah, this is our bread and butter, guys. This is a 43613 zip code on Marlowe Street.
Very nice neighborhood, great place to live. Yeah, so we're here checking it out. We're starting inside today to kind of keep you on your toes. What do we know about?
What's their toes have to do with it?
We want people to be like, wow, they did something different.
Oh.
I'm not getting
So
the same thing every
literally
time.
on their toes, like a ballerina?
No, it's a figure of speech.
Okay, I don't know what that means.
Okay. Any numbers?
Huh.
Right, okay. Maybe we should give you a walkthrough first, and then the sales guy.
Let me refresh my memory.
get his
We've done
numbers
so
together.
many so far, I can't remember. I'll
right.
get you guys some numbers
Take
in
a
a minute.
peek. Hey, so we're back after you had a chance to take a peek. What'd you think?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I think it's great?
it's small, good size.
Yeah.
Comfortable. Cozy, I think, is the word that you use, right? When it's small and you want to say that it's comfortable.
For sure.
Cozy.
There's a few things that still need to be fixed before we get somebody in here, but I think overall,
Fresh
it
out
looks
of
great.
rehab. Floors look great. Just needs a nice little cleaning. And yeah, this thing's going to be ready to go.
Okay.
Applications are flowing in already.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. Tell me about the numbers for this property.
I think this one was a 51.9. So a 2-bed, 1-bath, right around 800 square feet, which is, right in our wheelhouse.
Yeah.
Great deal for the investor. $725 in rent, guys, and an 11% cap rate.
Wow.
Yeah, double digits. Again. We delivered again.
And as you mentioned, I mean, it's a great area,
Yeah.
great place for a family.
Yep.
But if you want to find out more information about our properties or just about us in general, head to ohiocashflow.com. Check us out on YouTube. We have a lot of other property walkthroughs and other, value-based videos that you can check out there. And all of that is in the description box below.
Yeah.
What am I forgetting?
OhioCashflow.com.
I said that, but
Did you?
But I didn't talk about the investor app.
You forgot the investor app again. Wow. How are they supposed to talk to me
Again?
if you don't tell them what I do? Yeah, guys, you know the Ohio Cashflow Elite Club. Filling up quick, as we always say. Make sure you jump on there, fill out an investor app, have a conversation with me. I'd love to work with you. Get you one of these little cookie cutter homes so that you can fill up your portfolio with cash flowing properties.
Awesome.
And don't forget to check out the yard. The yard is beautiful on this house, by the way. It's huge.
Side note.
Yeah, sorry.
All right,
Should
cool.
have said that earlier.
Anything else?
That's it. You got a mic again.
Yeah, this is my new thing. Maybe
Yeah.
maybe this will be in every video.
I hope not.
Okay. We'll see you guys next time.
See you guys.